I just wanna stay in the sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize.
Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new edition of Community Eats San Diego. Here we are at Dirty Birds on El Cajon Boulevard here with Adams, owner and proprietor of Dirty Birds, and we're showcasing this great food here. Adam, what's your favorite dish here at Dirty Birds?
My favorite dish is probably our classic dirty chicken sandwich.
Okay,
dirty chicken sandwich is one of my popular dishes.
Okay.
It's still to this day one of my favorites.
Awesome, awesome. And how long have you been at this location?
This location we opened in November 2015. We opened in Pacific Beach in 2008. Did a little tenure there, came here in 2015, opened up in Liberty Station in 2016, and we're currently in progress of building a place in OB 2018.
Great, great. And what is the most popular day to be here? I'm guessing happy hour Tuesday.
Absolutely. Tuesday is happy hour all day, so open and close, and all day, open and close, Tuesday,
Awesome. If you guys need a great area to come and watch a great basketball game, eat some good food, and have a drink, come here to Dirty Birds right here on El Cajon Boulevard. And remember, more than ever, community matters. Have a great day.